If you are unable to change desktop background in Windows 11, then watch this video till the end. At first, go to the search bar and type Control Panel, open it, and here make sure View by Category is selected over here. And under ease of access, go to optimize visual display, scroll up it down till you find this option, remove background images where available. Make sure it is unchecked like so, and then you can close this window and check if that fixes your issue. If not, then go to search bar once again. This time type run, click on open and type this over here, percentage fdata percentage, and hit enter. Then go to Microsoft. Then you scroll a bit down till you find Windows, open it, and then themes, and here in view make sure show and hidden items is shown over here. So you find this file, just rename it add.old at the last and hit enter. Then you will need to restart your PC for the changes to take place. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.